Hey there, today we're talking about artificial intelligence. Simply put, artificial intelligence or AI refers to any machine that appears intelligent. It can learn and execute tasks it was not step by step programmed by a human to do. AI can be broadly categorized into narrow AI, which is specialized for one task, and general AI, which can learn to do a multitude of tasks. Some examples of narrow AI include recommendation algorithms, such as those used by YouTube, Netflix, and social media to analyze your previous activity and push related content. Also, autonomous vehicles, which learn from repeated simulations to develop awareness of other vehicles and control steering and acceleration. And lastly, computer vision, where an AI learns to recognize and distinguish objects. Have a try. Is this a dog or a muffin? By the way, the internet has really caught on to this trend. See here Labradoodle or fried chicken, sheepdog or mop, puppy or bagel, and Shiba or marshmallow. Might have gotten a bit distracted there. The other higher level of AI, called general AI, doesn't really exist yet outside of movies, but would involve reaching or exceeding the capabilities of human intelligence across many fields. Another useful way to classify AI is by its learning method. We'll discuss here supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning learns from a set of training data that is already labeled with the desired output, and the AI is meant to learn how to label new unseen data. The classification of images is a good example. Feed the AI pictures of dogs, telling it this is a dog, and also food, telling it this is food, and the AI will learn the distinguishing characteristics. Another class of supervised learning, called regression problems, is used for numerical data. Regression involves predicting values from given inputs, such as predicting the price of a house given relevant data. This is essentially the same thing as finding the line of best fit, except there are many more input variables. In contrast to supervised learning, sometimes AI can be used to discover ideas that humans were not aware of. This involves unsupervised learning, where the training data is not labeled with the desired output, and the AI is allowed to freely explore possible patterns. For example, given a data set of customers and their online shopping preferences, an AI can group customers into demographically similar clusters, such as people who buy household essentials at a bargain price, people willing to splurge on the newest technology, and people who let loose at holiday sales. Both supervised and unsupervised learning can involve sorting data into clusters, but while in supervised learning the data already existed in clusters represented here, for example, by red and green, unsupervised learning involves sorting undistinguished data that is previously all gray into new previously undefined clusters. So at no point was the AI told to predict a value with a correct answer. Instead, the goal is to discover novel patterns. Finally, AI can learn even without a fixed set of training data through a process called reinforcement learning. The AI acts as an agent in an environment, interacting with that environment through its algorithm and actions, and in turn it receives feedback in the form of the changing state of the environment and rewards and punishments. For example, an AI algorithm learning to drive repeatedly interacts with a simulated highway environment, and despite having no supervision or instructions, the AI learns from its own mistakes and becomes good at avoiding negative outcomes, such as crashes. So that serves as an overview of the levels of AI and the ways that AI can gain intelligence. In the next video, we'll dive into the algorithm level building blocks of AI, specifically the popular technique of neural networks, in order to eventually understand what AI fundamentally is, and from there the potential benefits and dangers of AI. Thanks for watching.